Good morning, friends. So today we will discuss about the first chapter of history. The first chapter of history is the modern India. In this periodic test 1, we will discuss about two chapters. The first chapter is the modern India and second chapter is the establishment of company rule in India. So I have sent many pages, videos regarding these two chapters. These videos are containing many concepts of these two chapters. So don't worry about the question answer of these chapters. We will go one by one part of these two chapters. Then after we will do the question answer. If possible, we will do. Otherwise, after opening of the school, we will do the question answer. So don't worry about what the activities is given every day. You do that activities. So before starting of this modern India, I just want to clarify one thing. Okay, let's come to the point. So as for the time, duration, history is divided into three parts: ancient, medieval and modern history. Ancient history we have read in class 6, medieval in class 7 and modern in class 8 we are going to read about modern Indian history. Okay, so in the ancient history we have read about that the civilization, many civilization, Harshavardhana, Kanishka or any other ancient times up to Harshavardhana. But in the medieval history, there the northern empires, the southern states, coming of the Mughals, Sultans, all about we have read in the medieval period. Alauddin Khilji, Babur, Akbar, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb, we have read about different types of religion emerged at that time. But in the modern history we will discuss about. Modern history starts from 18th century. Medieval 8th to 18th century. So 18th century starts from 1700 CE. So medieval 8th to 18th century and before 8th century, this is all about coming ancient history. In this class standard 8, we will discuss about after 1700 CE. What happened? In 1700 CE, there is the one concept that is the weakening of the Mughal Empire. After death of Aurangzeb, the Mughal Empire became weaker and weaker day by day. Due to the lack of a strong administrative system and also strong ruler in the central, that is Mughal. So different foreign companies came to India, do the business and started to establish their empire in India. So there is 5 countries came, we will discuss in the second chapter. Basically some important events of the 8 after 17th century. I have sent many videos, you may also see there, and I will also send my videos of second chapter. Battle of Plassey I have sent it. Battle of Buxar in the second chapter we will discuss. Revolt of 1857 in this year we will also discuss. Formation of INC we will discuss about this year. Partition Amendment it is continuing in the second chapter. Formation of Muslim League, Home Rule League we will discuss this one by one. Non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience and quit India movement, it is all about after 1919 and this period is also known as Gandhian period. Gandhian period 1919 and 1757 to 1857 this is coming under company rule. Which company? East India Company. 1857 to 1947 till independent this is coming under British Parliament rule. So we will discuss about all together in the second chapter. First chapter is not telling about all this. This is all the important factors that we will discuss this year, all over the year. But in this chapter we will discuss about the sources of modern Indian history. How many types of sources? What are the sources, important sources? I have sent the important acts also, they are also sources. I have sent many paintings, these are also sources. I have sent many books written during the medieval period, this is also sources. So we will discuss all about the sources in the next class. This is class number 2. This is class number 2. We will discuss all types of sources which are the important information that we can write our history correctly. That are the evidences. From where we get these evidences, how we get these evidences, we will discuss in our part 2. This is the part 1. Just I discuss about what is modern history, and modern history, this is not only modern history, modern Indian history. That is our national history. We will discuss in this all over the year from after coming of the Britishers to till independence 1947. Okay. So thank you. I hope all of you understand. In my second part of this chapter, I will discuss about the sources of Indian history, sources of modern Indian history. Sources of modern Indian history. Thank you. I hope all of you understand. If you cannot understand, you can ask me. Thank you. I wish have a nice day.